Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate to you in this video tutorial how I got 50,000 Aeos gems on my Pokemon Unite. So guys, I'm going to make this video tutorial and show you the step-by-steps, the instruction that you need to do in order to get iOS gems on your Pokemon Unite for free. So practically I'm going to open my Pokemon Unite so you can see that I got 50,000 iOS gems, and then we're going to make it together step by step this video tutorial in order to show you the steps you need to follow to get iOS gems for free on your devices. So as you can see guys, I'm having right over here 50,000 iOS gems on my Pokemon Unite, and I'm going to demonstrate to you now in this video tutorial steps you need to go to follow. So guys, before we start this video tutorial, I need to require you to make sure that you need to go to settings and to check for the battery. So you should not be in lower power mode, so this sign over here, it has to be switched off, and then get back to the home menu and make sure that you don't have that lower power mode options on. Then you go to Safari or any kind of browser that you use and search for a website called freeinjects.com. I'm focusing right here for you guys. As then when you enter in this website, you are going to face a couple of applications. You can see I'm scrolling right here for you, or you can check later on if you want to get it, any one of it you can get it for free without needing to pay nothing. Or you can search in the searching box any keyword, for example Unite, and it will come immediately Pokemon Unite hack. So it means it's reading over here, get 50,000 iOS gems on Pokemon Unite for free, works for iOS and Android devices. So you just press in the middle and then press download now, and sit tight and wait a couple of seconds till the downloading process to be done. So guys, I need to mention to you one more time that this method works also for Android devices, so you need to follow the same steps I'm showing to you in this video tutorial with my iPhone. We just wait a couple of seconds more and the process will be finished soon. Okay, the next step is sending us to the verifying zone when it's requiring us download and complete the instructions below in order to unlock Pokemon Unite hack on your device. So when you come in this phase, you're going to phase to this couple of apps, and to me it worked after I downloaded 2 of them, and I'm going to show you that how you have to do it. For example, you press State of Survival, in this case, tap to install, and it will send you automatically to the Apple Store or to the Play Store when you are using Android, which it means that the apps originally from Apple Store and Play Store, so there is nothing to get worried about it. In my case it shows open because I downloaded before. In your case it will show you the sign of downloading. You just need to press the download and then to open for 30 seconds. So this is enough time that information processing from the website to the game in order to make the hack unlock. So after I downloaded the first one, I opened 30 seconds, I get back to the website, download the second app, and I did the same thing, that downloaded and opened for 30 seconds. So practically I download State of Survival and iOS Social Calendar. If you go to the website, here it is, iOS Social Calendar and State of Survival. After I did this 2 instructions, I completed these 2 instructions, I got the mod on my Pokemon United. So guys, this is my video tutorial for today. If it helps you and worked for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Cheers.